Hi friends, welcome to the NK Studios. So my blue mandala artwork is complete now. I can show you the close-up look here. It's really a beautiful artwork and the color combinations is amazing. Alright, let's start the process of varnish. First of all, I want to clean my artwork. Here I'm using the Baby Johnson wipes to clean the guidelines which is up here. Some of the guidelines is covered by the art, but some of them is left, so I'm using the Baby Johnson wipes. After cleaning and dry the surface, let's use the varnish here. So I will share the varnish link in my description too. I'm using the Liquitex gloss varnish. This is really good to protect your artwork for a long time, and it gives a beautiful shining on your artwork. For next process, I'm using the regular varnish art brush. So this is really good brush for me. So guys, let's start the process of varnish. Now I prefer here to cover the center first, because I think center is a part of the attraction. So first of all, we have to use our varnish on the center. After covered the center, I have to work on the other part. So I'm using very lightly touch up of the varnish, because sometimes it gives me the separate gaps on my artwork, so it doesn't look so good. Then this is the part of practice, guys. On your first artwork, maybe you have to do some little bit of mistakes, but mistakes is a part of learning. In the next artwork, you will be the perfect. Varnish is really a beautiful part for me, guys. I feel so relaxed and so satisfying with my artwork, because it gives me positive vibrations that I have some other works to do, and I feel so happy. Oh, this artwork is complete. Now I can work on other artwork too. So I love the process of varnish. So guys, the center is almost covered here. We make sure that our all flowers and borders are fully covered with the varnish, and I make sure you also love the process of varnish. So guys, here our all center, borders and the lines are covered with the varnish. Now we are going to step in the next process is borders and flowers and siders. So first of all, I want to cover all the flowers. After completing all the flowers, I will make sure that the borders will be covered. Sometimes you can see after dry your artwork, you can see that some of the gaps in your artwork. So here I prefer the second process of the varnish too, because in first process is sometimes we miss some part in some lines and some drops, so they appears, and the second process will cover all the lines and graphs. So guys, I prefer the second coat of varnish too. After the second coat of varnish, the artwork looks very pretty. I mean, it's really amazing. The shining of the artwork is awesome, and you feel so good. And guys, I want to make sure one more thing here. When we doing the borders, some of the drop is light on the cider, so don't forget to erase the drops with your brush, as like I'm erasing the drops here too. Hope you guys like my artwork and my varnish process. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe my channel for my upcoming art videos. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos and supporting my handmade artwork on YouTube. Thank you.